Webcat finally takes a break. But peace never lasts long for a hero.
What's that strange sound? Is it a new villain?
With great power comes great confusion.
Let go of my tail, you tin can!
Target acquired. Prepare for scritch deflection.
Prepare for this!
Counterspin initiated.
Ha! Missed! Whoa!
Warning, battery low.
Huh?
Entering sleep.
Wait, that's it?
Good.
Nice! Give me the driver, tin can!
Negative. Classified
It's my
hardware.
chair you're unscrewing!
Unauthorized feline detectors.
Unauthorized this! Ha! Got it!
Battery level 2%. Shutting down.
And that's how we do it. Supercat 1, Toaster 0.
Sort of.
Huh? Hey, wait, no! Yeah! Oh.
And so ends the saga of the Low Battery Menace. Another heroic victory.